Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. And from today onwards, I will explain Canterbury Tales by Geoffrey Chaucer for you all, and I will upload each and every tale serial wise. So let's start. Our first tale is Clark's Tale. First, I will explain you in English, and later I'll give you 2 or 3 lines in Hindi also, so that you can make a proper map in your mind. So let's start. First is The Clerk's Tale. Host asks the clerks to cheer up and tell a merry tale. So remember this. This is a merry tale. Clerk agrees to tell a tale by the Italian poet Petrarch. Griselda is a hard-working peasant and who marries into aristocracy. Remember this, that the Italian poet is the Petrarch and she is also a character. Griselda is a hard-working peasant and who marries an aristocracy. Her husband tests her fortitude in several ways, including pretending to kill her children and divorcing her. This is the most important point of this tale, that her husband tests her fortitude again and again. Like, first time he wants to marry his own daughter, second time he wants to sell his son, like pretending to kill her children and divorcing her. Next, he punishes her one final time by forcing her to prepare for his wedding to the new wife. And this is the third time he is doing this, and she does all this dutifully. Her husband tells her that she has always been and will always be his wife, and the divorce was a fraud, and they live happily ever after. So this is the main idea of the story. Let me tell you something about the story. Clerk is basically a honest and the moral character, and he is the student of philosophy. That's why the tale is good. Okay, remember this point. That's why the Clerk's Tale is a good. The story is borrowed from the patient Griselda. Remember this name, Marcus Walter story. He is the protagonist or the husband of the lady, and everybody loves him and wants him to marry, and he sees Griselda, she is the wife, and want to marry her. They got married and have a daughter. Later he gave daughter to his sister, and the baby boy was born, and the same was done. The next plan was to marry Walter's daughter to test the Griselda's patience, but at last everything was revealed. क्या करता है इसमें, जो मार्कस होता है, सबसे पहले वो ग्रिसेल्डा से मैरिज करता है. इनको एक बेबी गर्ल होती है, वो अपनी बेटी को किसी को दे देता है. ठीक है, जैसे ही उसको बेटी होती है वो अपनी सिस्टर को उसको दे देता है. सेकेंड टाइम फिर बेबी बॉय होता है, सेम, फिर से वो अपनी बेटी को उसको अपनी सिस्टर को वो दे देता है. वो क्यों करता है? क्योंकि वो ग्रिसेल्डा की पेशेंस को चेक करता है. देन द थर्ड टाइम ही अगेन डू द सेम. सिर्फ और सिर्फ किस लिए? ग्रिसेल्डा की पेशेंस चेक करने के लिए. एट द लास्ट वो क्या करता है, वो प्लान बनाता है कि मैं अपनी ही बेटी से मैरिज करना चाहता हूँ, अपनी ही डॉटर से वो मैरिज करता है. दैट वाज जस्ट ओनली अ प्लान. वो प्लान किस लिए था? ताकि ग्रिसेल्डा जो है वो अपना पेशेंस ब्रेक कर सके, बट शी डोंट डू दिस, एंड एट लास्ट इट इज अ हैप्पी टेल. सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट द क्लर्क्स टेल. And the next tale is Municipal's Tale. Municipal Tale is about what? Let me tell. Tells about the origin of crow. Remember this. Based on the myth of Apollo Coronis, as told in the Ovid's Metamorphoses. Remember these two names, myth of Apollo and Coronis. Phoebus kept a snow white crow that mimics any human voice. There is a crow. Remember this, there is a crow, he can mimic any human voice, and bird witnesses Phoebus' wife with the lover. Then Phoebus kills his wife in a jealous rage, and later he blames crow for his madness. It is a fabula. Fabula is basically a short story, comic story told in a poetry rather than the prose. Let me explain you in Hindi some main points about the दिस म्यूनिसिपल टेल. किस बारे में है? दिस टेल इज अबाउट अ क्रो. फीबस के पास एक क्रो होता है, वो क्या करता है? ह्यूमन वॉइस को मिमिक करता है. सो जो वो बर्ड होता है, वो एक दिन उसकी लवर को किसी और के साथ वो देख लेता है, उसकी वाइफ को किसी लवर के साथ देख लेता है, और वो क्या करता है? फाइनली ही किल्स हिज वाइफ. जो फीबस होते हैं वो अपनी वाइफ को मार देते हैं, और वो एकदम से बिल्कुल लास्ट में वो किसको ब्लेम करते हैं? वो क्रो को ब्लेम करते हैं कि तुम्हारी वजह से मैंने मेरी वाइफ को मार दिया. एंड एट लास्ट ही बिकम मैड. सो ही इज द रीजन फॉर हिज मैडनेस. सो नेक्स्ट वन इज रीव्स टेल. रीव फील्स मिलर मेक फन ऑफ हिम. रीव को क्या लगा था? दैट मिलर इज मेकिंग फन ऑफ हिज टेल. दैट्स वाई ही जस्ट वॉन्ट टू टेक रिवेंज फ्रॉम हिम. So let's talk about his tale. First, English work to use the dialect for the comic effect. Similar to one of the stories, remember this, Giovanni Boccaccio, Decameron. This is very much similar to Giovanni Boccaccio's Decameron. And Skimkin is a bald, pug-nosed miller who lives near the Cambridge and swindles all his customers. So remember this, that Skimkin is a bald and he's a miller. We people are talking about Miller in this story, and who lives near the Cambridge and swindles all his customers. Miller's wife is raised a nunnery and synced with the pride as his expensive upbringing. She have a proud and have a daughter and a 6-month-old infant. Okay, they have a daughter also and an infant also. Simkin takes opportunity to steal all kind of corn and wheat, and two young scholars, remember these two names, John and Alan. These are the two reasons, these are the main characters you can say of this Reeves Tale, came from Netherlands, get permission to try and stop millers from stealing more grain. And then Willie Miller realizes that they lose his horse into the field of wild mare. When the clerk realizes the horse is missing, they spend all the day chasing it to the skin and got plenty of time to steal flour from them. Then finally they spend the whole day to catch the horse. Alan and John pay Skin to lodge at night for his house. वो उसके घर रुकने के लिए बोलते हैं. The miller who is drunk, miller's wife, go to bed with the infants. The miller's daughter Alan, remember this, John also go to the bed. Miller's daughter Alan and John, they all go to the bed, and they to take revenge against him, Alan decides to have a sex with the miller's daughter, and the miller's wife wake up and check. In the morning, Alan creeps out miller's daughter's bed, and Alan brags and sleep with the miller's daughter. This is the most important point of this story. That's why they are doing this, because they want to take the revenge. Then miller's wife wake up and try to help her husband by hitting the clerks, but she mistakenly hit her husband. Alan and John beat up Skin and grab the grain. Alan and John have slept with the miller's wife and his daughter too, and Reeve has gotten his revenge against the miller. Just remember this thing, that Reeve wants to take what? Wants to take revenge. Okay, remember this. We people are talking about Reeves Tale. रीव्स रिवेंज लेना चाहता है किससे? मिलर से. दैट्स वाई रीव ने मिलर की स्टोरी सुनाई है. और वो हमें क्या बताता है? रीव हमें बताता है कि जो ये स्किम्पन है, वो मिलर है, वो एक बार्ड होता है, गंजा होता है, और उसकी जो वाइफ होती है वो ननरी में रेस की गई है. उसको काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्राइड होता है. जॉन और एलन दो नदर्न इंग्लैंड से आते हैं, और वो क्या प्लान बनाकर आते हैं कि हम तुम्हारा जो ग्रेन है वो बिल्कुल भी चोरी नहीं करेंगे. और एट लास्ट वो किस तरीके से रिवेंज लेके जाते हैं, उसकी जो डॉटर और उसकी वाइफ होती है, दे रेप बोथ, एंड hence the story ends with this note. And the next one is Merchant's Tale. So in Merchant's Tale, the host asks him to tell a story of the evil of marriage, and he compiles. So this story is basically about the evils of the marriage. और वो इस तरीके से compile करता है स्टोरी को. कैसे? Merchant is wealthy person against the advice of his friends. An old knight named January marries May, and she is less impressed by his enthusiastic sexual efforts and conspires to cheat him with his squire Damien. There is a garden in their house, and she gives the keys to the Damien also. And when the blind January takes May into the garden to copulate with her, she wants to eat pear, but Damien was already there, and she has sex with him. Pluto, the king of fairies, wants to give January's side back so that he can court her, that's May, in this act. But when January sees her, she gave a correct excuse that she was doing this for the eyesight only. The host prays to the god to keep him from marrying a wife like one of the merchant describes. So, let me explain you in Hindi also. In Merchant's Tale, there is a character January. He is 60 years old. और उसके दो एडवाइजर्स होते हैं, प्लेस्बो एंड जस्टिन. ये उसकी वाइफ होती है मे, और डैमिन उसका स्क्वायर होता है, और प्लूटो और पेस्पिना दो हमारे गोड और गोडेसिस होते हैं. जनवरी मे से मैरिज कर लेता है, और सभी उसको मना करते हैं कि तुम इससे शादी मत करो. क्यों? बिकॉज मे का डैमियन के साथ अफेयर होता है. जनवरी के घर में एक ऐसा पार्क होता है जिसकी की सिर्फ इन दोनों के पास होती है. मे क्या करती है, उस पार्क की डैमियन को दे देती है, और वो वहाँ पे चला जाता है उस गार्डन में. सडनली उसी दिन जनवरी वहाँ पर आता है, दे बोथ, जनवरी एंड मे, दे बोथ वांट टू स्पेंड टाइम देयर. और इसने, मे ने बोला कि मुझे पियर खाना है, शी वांट्स टू ईट पियर, मुझे नाशपाती खानी है, वहाँ जाती है. बट वो क्या देखती है कि दामिन वहाँ पहले से ही होता है. जनवरी जो है वो ब्लाइंड होता है, वो नहीं देख पाता. लेकिन जो गॉड और गॉडेसेस होते हैं वो चाहते हैं कि हम इसको इस टाइम पर उसकी आई साइट दे देते हैं ताकि वो देख तो सके कि उसकी वाइफ क्या कर रही है. बट जो गॉडेस होती है वो उसको बचा लेती है एंड शी सेव्स. वो बोलती है लास्ट में, जो हमारी वाइफ होती है मे बोलती है कि मैंने दामियन के साथ जो रिलेशनशिप बनाया है दैट्स ओनली जस्ट बिकॉज फॉर यू जनवरी, ताकि तुम्हारी जो आई साइट है वो वापस आ सके, इसलिए मैंने उसके साथ ये रिलेशनशिप बनाया है. एंड दैट्स ऑल अबाउट द मर्चेंट्स टेल. एंड द लास्ट वन इज द स्क्वायर्स टेल. Squire's tale is basically about the host calls him to say something about his favorite subject, that is love. Host बोलता है उसे love के बारे में कुछ बताओ. King Kamasan of Mangot Empire is visited on his birthday by the knight bearing a gift from the king of Arabia and India. He gives Cambuscan and his daughter Canis a magic brass horse, magic mirror, magic ring that gives Canis the ability to understand the language of birds and sword with the power to cure any wound. She rescues a dying female falcon that narrates how to consort abandoned her for the love of the another. Remember this point. This is the major point, that this is an unfinished tale by the Chaucer or interrupted by Franklin. This tale is by Chaucer and interrupted by Franklin. Remember these 2 points. Host expresses annoyance at Franklin's interruption in order for the next tale. And the squire is a son of knight, but he is a very much opposite character. As I have discussed in the story, he is a very much opposite character. So let me explain you in Hindi also. Kamasan is the king of Tartary. Alphata is the wife, his wife, and Canis is king's daughter, and Algerzi Camblo, and these are the 2 sons of these both. So this is all about the squire's tale, that the king, वो अपनी बेटी को क्या करता है, 3 चीज़ें देता है. वो मैजिक हॉर्स देता है, रिंग देता है और एक मिरर देता है. ओके, इन चीज़ों से क्या करती है वो, ताकि वो बर्ड्स की लैंग्वेज को समझ सके कॉन्टीन्यूसली. तो लास्ट में वो बिल्कुल बाद में क्या करती है, उसकी हेल्प से बर्ड्स की लैंग्वेज समझ के वो एक फैल्कन होता है, फैल्कन को हम बाज बोलते हैं, उसकी मतलब उसकी लाइफ को वो सेव करती है. उसके बाद दे डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंड बिकॉज दिस इज अ अनफिनिश्ड टेल. So that's all about today's lecture, and in tomorrow's lecture I will upload some more tales from Canterbury. So until then, I request you again and again, just remember all these points, the points which I am writing here, just cram these points again and again. These are the major and the most important points. That's why I am not giving you the summary here, I am just mentioning the important points. Okay, you can read the summary easily, but remember these points. These are the major or the most important points. You can definitely find a question in UGC net from these points. So till then, wait for the next video. I'll upload the next video and there will be some more tales in that. And thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.